His name is Chuck Food Reviews. He's tasting good food just for you. Then he farts and blows you away. Please subscribe to his YouTube page, Chuck Food Reviews. Woo! Reviews.
What's up? It's Chuck Food Reviews and more, and today we going to the tech game again. Go Virginia Tech, and we gonna have a townhouse for you. Oh yeah.
Go, Hokies! This play will set the tone.
Tony?
Richard Bennett died.
Like all the bars that we used to come to, there's nothing in our town.
I don't think it's worth going to an uptown.
Let me see it.
Accompanied by a homecoming court chair, Kelsey Burkett. Now introducing our 2024 homecoming court candidates. Carly Angel, escorted by Jason Angel. Sponsoring organization, Virginia Tech Equestrian. Dag Attridge, escorted by Nancy Attridge. Sponsoring organization, Triangle Fraternity. Courtney Bergeron, escorted by Tammy Bergeron. Sponsoring organization, Fashion Merchandising and Design Society. TJ Brooks, escorted by Lori Brooks. Sponsoring organization, German Club. Philip D. Haven, escorted by Vesna Nielsen. Sponsoring organization, Sigma Phi Epsilon. Sienna Della Carpini, escorted by Chris Della Carpini. Sponsoring organization, Chi Omega. Lucia Fang, escorted by Stella Fang. Sponsoring organization, VT Prison. Sarvane Kasivova, escorted by Ron Kasivova. Sponsoring organization, Zeta Tau Alpha. Jacqueline Mitchell, escorted by John Mitchell. Sponsoring organization, College of Liberal Arts and Human Sciences Ambassador. By the Virginia Tech Alumni Association to fulfill their cost-based platform. And now for the presentation of the 2024 Homecoming Royalty, here is the University President, Dr. Timothy Sands.
It's my pleasure to announce the results of the 2024 Homecoming election. This year's first member of Homecoming Royalty is PJ Brooks for this platform of Chief Cadet Safety. The second member of Homecoming Royalty is Carly Angel with her platform of supporting animal sciences. The final member of Homecoming Royalty is Philip DeHaven with his platform of body positivity.
We win.
Chuck Food Reviews. His name is Chuck Food Reviews. He's tasting good food just for you. Then he farts and blows you away. Please subscribe to his